Hi friends, let's paint some simple basic flowers in a glass vase. Here I paint a simple orange rose bud. Here is a simple marigold flower. Paint an orange base and before it dries, add some concentrated red dots on it. That will spread out and give a fuzzy look to the petals. Here are some simple yellow cosmos flowers. Here I have wetted the brush lightly and I am trying to blur the paint a little, and after that dries I will add a concentrated darker value of red. Here I draw a simple sunflower bud. Paint the yellow petals and before that dries, add some orange lines or a darker value of yellow lines on the petal and allow it to blend into the petals. This sunflower bud is drawn facing the other side. Let's paint some basic shape of leaves and stems with sap green. I use sap green. You may use any similar green color that you have. Please follow with me as I paint the rest of the glass vase. You may notice that it's easy to lift off the paint while the paint is still wet, just in case you've made any mistakes. Use a wet brush that is not over-soaked with water and lift off the paint while the paint is still wet. Here I'm adding some water reflections with the dry brush technique. Clean your brush dry, dip it in a little paint and then scrub it sideways on the paper without giving much pressure. That will give you this effect of some broken lines. Here I am mixing the sap green with a touch of brown and some maroon or crimson lake to give a darker value to the sap green, and add it over the next layer to create some veins.